Well, hello everyone. I'm Ahmad Syawqi. You can call me Ahmad or Syawqi. I'm a first year student at Polytechnic Energy and Mineral Akamigas at Logistic Oil and Gas with student ID number 2514 515. Well, I'm sorry if my voice is not really clear because I'm currently coughing, but I'll do my best. Well, as I said before, I'm a student at the Polytechnic Energy and Mineral Akamigas, which is notorious for its quality, and a lot of alumni that has been working in a various company of oil and gas industry. And now I'm the part of this amazing campus, and I'm very proud of it. Here at the Logistic Oil and Gas Study Program, we learn a lot of things such as procurement, saving, storage and distribution, supply chain management, and many more. And yeah, about my background, I come from Palembang, South Sumatra. I was born there, and I have grown up there for the past 19 years. But now I'm in Central Java, Blora, studying at the Polytechnic Energy and Mineral Akamigas. Well, okay. What did you just hear is the expression of a self-introduction. Self-introduction is a very important skill, whether you're meeting new people, making friends, attending formal events, or going through job interviews. Well, a good introduction can create a strong first impression, build confidence, and reduce anxiety in a new situation. And if we take this furthermore, a good communication can improve the communication effectiveness. A good self-introduction helps you avoid confusion and makes conversation more efficient because people know how to respond to you, what topics are relevant, and how to engage with you appropriately. And if we look at it from a professional perspective, it really helps you in a networking and relationship building, whether in interviews, presentations, meeting, or social events. Self-introduction skills will help you to connect with others. A strong introduction can open a lot of opportunities for collaboration, friendships, or career growth. And this video, I will be explaining to you how to introduce yourself effectively in English. Well, there are three main styles of introduction. The first is informal, formal, and the last is designed for the job interviews. Let's go on. Okay, let's move to the first one, the informal introduction. The main goal or the main purpose of this informal introduction is to build a strong and good and also friendly connection between the people. Informal introduction is used in a casual or social situations, such as meeting new friends, classmates, or speaking to an audience on a platform like Instagram or YouTube, just like I do now. In this informal introduction, it's delivered in a conversational and story-like style. The speaker often shares a personal background, interests, and experiences. You can begin by stating your name and preferred nickname. For example, my name is Ahmad Syawqi. You can call me Syawqi. Then you may share some personal interests or hobbies like I really like watching football and traveling because the goal here is not to give professional detail which is will be so boring, but as I said before, is to build a good and friendly connection between others. Let me give you an example. Hi, my name is Ahmad Syawqi. You can call me Ahmad or Syawqi, it's up to you. Well, there's a story behind it. In my hometown, since I was child until now, people usually call me Ahmad. But now in college, I think I want to try something new by being called Syawqi. So maybe you can call me Syawqi. Well, talking about my hometown, Palembang, it's a really beautiful city in Sumatra. Ever since I'm going to college in Java, I really miss the people, the culture, the food, especially in Palembang, pempek, tekwan, model. It's really tasty. It's a really good food. I miss them. And now I'm studying oil and gas logistics at PEM Akamigas. Why do I choose oil and gas logistics? Because even though the oil and gas logistics is a science major, honestly, I have a big interest in the social science, such as countries, worldwide shipping, export and import, and of course, logistic oil and gas has a relevance to export and import. So that's why I choose logistic oil and gas. And about my hobbies, I really like watching football, but I'm not good at playing it. In football, I'm a big fan of Real Madrid. I do watch them every week because it's really enjoyable and a powerful club. I also like traveling to the new place. In the future, I have a dream to visiting a lot of country and all of the continents in this world. I also really enjoy spending time with my parents and friends, and in my free time, usually I learn about new things, a lot of new things about my study field, logistic oil and gas by my own. See, that's how an informal introduction sounds like. It uses a lot of story and the language is more flexible. Okay, now let's move to the second one, the formal introduction. Well, the formal introduction is used in a professional and official situations such as job interviews, academic presentations, seminars, and formal meetings, etc. In a formal introduction, the information is delivered in a clear, structured, and a professional manner. The language used is polite, natural, and avoids emotional or overly personal expressions, so it's different from the informal introductions. And generally, you use your full name rather than a nickname and communicate in a complete structured sentence. For example, I am currently a student at the Polytechnic of Energy and Mineral Alchemigas. So let's move to the example. So the context of this example of formal introduction is in the English class. Watch this. Good morning everyone. My name is Ahmad Syawqi. I'm the first year student at Logistic Oil and Gas, and I have a strong interest in linguistics, especially in English, so I hope that through this class I can deepen my understanding, improve my skills, and actively participate in discussion and group activities. So I look forward to learning together with all of you and the teacher. Thank you. So you see, it's really different from informal introductions because the words are straightly forwarded and I'm not using a story as much as I use in informal introduction. Now we are moving to the last one, the interview. Well, the interview is a formal situation, so the introduction should be follow the principles of a formal introduction. The interviewers often starts with the question, "Tell me about yourself." Well, these questions may be sounds informal, but the answer should remain professional and structured. So the main purpose of this interview is to create a powerful and positive first impression. In an interview introduction, you should clearly state your full name, educational background, and current role of the field of your study. Your language must be polite, confident, and professional. So what are things you need to say when you are in an interview? So I have a useful tips for you to easily remember it. The structure is called SIT. The first one is S. S stands for skills, where you highlight the abilities that are relevant to the position, such as problem solving, communication, and collaboration. The next one is E. E refers to education or experience, in which you briefly describe your academic background and practical experience. And the next one is A. A stands for achievement, where you mention the key accomplishment that demonstrate your competence. And then last one is T. T is the type of person you are, where you are focusing on your character and work ethic. So this structure will help you to make the introduction more clear, well structured, confident, and more professional. So remember, that's it. Now let's move to the example. This is the implementation of the seat structure. Let's begin. Good morning, sir. Thank you for the opportunity that you give to me. So I believe that I'm the right person to fill this position because I have strong skills in problem solving and collaboration, which are essentials in oil and gas logistics. I also have several experience in internship in the various companies such as El Nusa Petrofin, ExxonMobil, and also Pertamina Fuel Terminal. We are focused on ensuring efficiency and accuracy in operations. One of my achievements was I contributed to a logistics process improvement that reduced delivery delays and support smoother operations, which reflects my ability to handle a challenge effectively. I'm a disciplined, detail-oriented, and adaptable person, and I'm motivated to contribute and grow in the oil and gas logistics industry. So we are coming to the end of the video. We have learned about the different types of introductions, such as formal, informal, and an interview. Each context requires a different style, but the goal remains the same: to communicate clearly, confidently, and effectively. By mastering these three types of self-introduction, we can build a better impression and adapt effectively to various situations. So I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.